So hi guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to review this new projector from Lifelong. So guys, this is the latest projector by Lifelong, which is called Lifelong Lightbeam Smart Projector. And if you ask me, this is quite a compact of device, and yes, I love this rotatable handle in which I don't need a flat surface to keep it. I can just adjust this angle just by pulling this up a knot. So in this video we are going to cover everything about this projector, the features, the software walkthrough, hardware walkthrough. We will be doing the unboxing of this projector as well, and lastly we will be summarizing and letting you guys know that why we should be purchasing this projector. Process to start the projector. Place the projector on a flat surface, plug in the power adapter, press and hold the power button until it turns green. And now finally your projector is turned on. Now let's talk about some of the amazing features of this projector. Firstly, you get Ultra HD 4K support. This Lifelong projector projects 720p native resolution and it is compatible with 4K videos, which offers unmatched clarity in your home theater. The second, large screen display. This projector can produce a massive 150 inches display, making it perfect for creating your own big screen experience at home. Also, it comes with Android 14, which makes your usage lag-free. The next is brightness. With 3000 lumens of brightness, we can watch all the videos and movies perfectly during the daytime, and at the night times the experience is next level. Then comes the integrated sound system. This projector comes with powerful 3-watt speakers, which means you don't need an additional soundbar or speakers to connect with it during watching movies. And the last is accurate image adjustment. So this projector provides hassle-free setup with manual focus and auto keystone correction, allowing the customers to achieve the perfect picture alignment quickly and easily. Software walkthrough. After turning on the projector, on the left side you see options like Netflix, YouTube, Hotstar and the App Store icon. And on the right you get the options like Screencast, File Manager, HDMI and Settings. On the top right corner, you see brush icon to clean the cache memory, the magic wand icon which changes the background, and the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi icon. How to connect Wi-Fi to your projector? Go to settings, click on Wi-Fi, connect the available network and enter your passcode, and boom, it's connected. How to connect Bluetooth? Go to the home screen, click on the Bluetooth icon on the top right, scan the device and pair the device which you want to connect. How to screencast on this projector? Go to the main menu, click on screencast option on the projector's main menu. Open Play Store or App Store on your phone and download the Transcreen app. Now select your Miracast receiver from your smartphone and boom, it's done. Now let's see what all we get in the projector settings. So in the projector settings, we get multiple options like audio settings, installation mode, digital zoom, initial angle correction, language setting, application setting, date and time settings and other settings. Now let's see what all we get in each of the setting options. So in the audio settings, we can switch audio and play with multiple audio functions like standard and custom. In the installation mode, we have multiple projection options like front projection, right projection, ceiling projection and ceiling right projection, which you can adjust according to your need. In digital zoom, you can zoom in and zoom out of the whole screen. Also, you can get the aspect ratio and an auto keystone feature which can easily adjust the side and angles of the projector according to the wall and screen size. In initial angle correction, you can manually correct the projector angles. In the wireless settings, you can connect the projector with the Wi-Fi. In the language settings, you can change the language of the projector. In the application settings, you can get App Store and Play Store to download apps like music, offside, screencast and YouTube. In date and time settings, you can change the date and time manually, and in other settings again you get multiple options like power mode, button sound enabling toggle, screensaver mode, schedule power off option, restore factory settings and account settings, and about the projector. So guys, I think that we have covered all the things that this projector has to provide to its users. So now you have to decide whether you are going to buy this projector in such a reasonable price or not. So yes, if you like the video, please let us know in the comment, share this video with all your friends, and yes, subscribe to the channel if you are new to it.